Hey, I was going to show you a real quick workaround for the YouTube problem that I've came up with. You might already be aware of it, but if not, hopefully this will help. But what I did is I created a video on cast-o-matic, which is free. I paid for the subscription, was like, I think it was $54 for the year. The cast-o-matic, if you get the free version, you can do 15 minutes. There's some editing stuff that goes with the 54. I think it was worth it. But what I did is when I saved the video, I saved it as an MP4. Okay, I didn't save it directly to YouTube itself. I saved it as an MP4, and I do that right here, save as video file, and that saves it as an MP4. Okay, now when I go to YouTube, now I did create my own channel because I've been down that path of them kind of basically struggling, and Epic Mr McCord. Okay, and right here, this little button right here, create a video or a post. I just click on it. I upload the video, it pulls up the screen, and I select the file. I make sure that it's public, and then I'm going to click right here, and that's going to begin the upload. Okay, so let's say I wanted to upload, well, there's building your own Epic site there, so I want to upload. All I do is just click on it, and it just starts the upload. Okay, after I do that, I'm going to publish it. It's all fine. I'm going to cancel it because I've already uploaded. I don't want to mess around with that. But anyway, that's the way that I found to do it. I hope that it helps. Have a good day.